my people, this is Bugs Butts Break. Quick F1 facts to get you ahead. Let's go!
Box.
5 fun facts about the Miami Grand Prix. Let's go! Number 1, brand new addition. The Miami Grand Prix debuted in 2022, making it one of the newest races on F1 calendar. It was part of a, big, but a really big like this. Yes, it was part of F1's big push to grow, you know where? The sport, you know where? In the USA. Number 2, racing around a stadium. Unlike most street circuits, the Miami GP track called the Miami International Autodrome is built around the Hard Rock Stadium, home of the Miami, you know what? Dolphins. Number 3, Fake Marina. One of the most talked about features is the Fake Marina, an area with yachts set up on a platform surrounded by printed water graphic. It becomes a hilarious and iconic, you know what? Photo spot. Number 4, Heat and Humidity Challenge. Miami's hot and humid weather in May adds an extra layer of difficulty. Drivers and teams have to carefully manage tire wear, cooling, and hydration. Number 5, glamorous vibes. The Miami GP is known for its ultra-glamorous atmosphere. Celebrities, parties, fashion shows, and A-list appearances everywhere. It's like, you know what? The Monaco of America. Pit stop done. You are turbocharged. Don't miss the next lap or you will be the last.